is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it. Well, this is truly where I belong. Making my way down Ocean Drive. Hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I do right.
Welcome to the Miami International Boat Show. This is the 5 biggest days in boating. It's even bigger this year. For the first time ever at Miami Marine Stadium, they combined the powerboat and sailboats in one location. Sailboat and catamarans are featured on Pier 9. There are over 170 different boat brands and thousands of marine-related products. There is even an interactive learning center and seminar tents dedicated to sailing and boating education. Thursday was the first day. We started at the Miami Yacht Show on Collins Avenue and made a video that you can see here on our channel. We also took a cruise around the Miami Harbor on a 55-foot Van Dutch yacht. We also created a video with them, which will be linked at the end of this video. Friday afternoon, we stopped by Miami Marine Stadium for the other Miami Boat Show. Here's the new Leopard 50-foot catamaran sailboat. Randy and Lenny from SB Happy Together are upgrading their 48-foot Leopard to this 50-foot beauty. Let's take a look around. The saloon area is set up differently in the 50 versus the 48. It was too crowded today to see the cabins. Let's go check out the Cigarette Racing boats. Cigarette Racing Team and Mercedes-AMG are celebrating their 11th anniversary at the Miami International Boat Show. Here are a few of their incredible performance console boats. Next day, we met up with our friends Claudia, Roger, Chelsea, and Gabriel for a day at the show. And we all tried the VIP experience, which I definitely recommend. It included show tickets, complimentary food and drinks, and some really good ice cream, shaved ice cream. Now let's go check out the MC6 yacht by Monte Carlo. The large saloon, equipped with 2 sofas and an electrically operated lounge table, has several layouts. Here we have 2 electrically controlled sun loungers built into the foredeck, creating the ultimate relaxation space.
$2.
Here's a look at the Marlowe 88 Explorer. Isn't she a beauty? I love all the woodwork. We should buy one like this. We could make some fun videos. Can you imagine that one? One thing is for sure, there are so many boats here to choose from. I mean, you could get a cigarette boat, you can get a luxury yacht, you could even buy the Van Dutch. It's a difficult decision, finding that one that's perfect for you. All right, Chelsea, where are you taking us?
Hydrated.
Chelsea's
First,
the
we're
captain.
going to St. Croix. Then
St.
we're going
Croix?
to pass by Puerto Rico. See the Bahamas. Go up. And look down.
How about St. Bart's?
She said go left.
nothing like a sunset cruise in Miami in February. The weather is just perfect. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and show some love by hitting the thumbs up button. That way you'll be in the loop when we upload the next video. Plus you can watch all of our other Miami Boat Show videos. And make sure to press that bell, the notification bell. Now a quick message from the guys at Miami Beach Fire and Rescue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to E-Trade.
Let's do it one more time. You guys are funny.
Bloopers are the best.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to E-Trade Travel.
Love my ETT squad. And they're part of the ETT squad because they're going to subscribe right now.
The sun is rising, here we are. I didn't think we'd come this far. I just feel it. This is truly where I belong. Making my way down Ocean Drive. Hungover people pass me by. I know they feel it. Yeah, they feel the way that I